Welcome to Celebrity Investing, your go-to source for insights, tips, and updates on navigating the exciting landscape of personal and global finance. Please like, share, and subscribe for more exclusive content. Welcome back. In Part 2, we break down how smart investors can identify AI medical tools that follow regulations and are built for long-term success. Why hospitals and doctors refuse uncertified technology. You can have the most advanced AI in the world, but it's worthless if no one will buy it. In 2026, healthcare providers are more cautious than ever. Hospital boards, insurance companies, and private practices have strict procurement rules. They generally won't touch any software that lacks a formal FDA clearance because it opens them up to malpractice suits. Doctors rely on proven methods to keep their patients safe. If an AI hasn't been through the rigors of a clinical study, a physician cannot trust its output. This creates a massive barrier to growth. An unapproved tool is essentially a dead-end product that can only be sold to hobbyists or niche markets that don't generate the massive returns investors expect. Real market adoption happens in the clinical setting, and the gatekeepers there demand certification. How artificial intelligence mistakes can lead to financial ruin. Technical flaws in AI are often hidden until the software faces the messy reality of a real hospital. A tool developed in a clean, controlled lab might work perfectly on high-quality images from one specific type of camera. However, when it hits a rural clinic with older equipment and different lighting, the accuracy often plummets. Without the rigorous testing required by the FDA, these flaws stay hidden until it's too late. If a company hasn't had to prove its tech to a third party, you can't trust its internal data. It's easy for developers to overfit their models, making them look brilliant on paper while they fail in practice. When these failures come to light, the company's reputation is destroyed instantly. For an investor, this means watching your shares go to zero because the product at the center of the business simply doesn't work. The problem of bias and inaccurate results. One of the biggest issues with unapproved AI is data bias. If a diagnostic tool was trained mostly on data from one demographic, it might give wrong answers for everyone else. Regulated companies must prove that their tools work across different ages, genders, and ethnicities. Unregulated companies often skip this step to save time and money. When an AI starts giving incorrect diagnoses to specific groups of people, it creates a public relations nightmare and a moral disaster. These inconsistencies lead to product recalls and government investigations. In the current social climate, a biased AI is a toxic asset. The financial cost of fixing a broken model or rebranding a disgraced company is often higher than the original cost of building the software. Regulatory crackdowns expected throughout 2026. The Wild West era of medical AI is coming to an end. This year, government agencies are cracking down on wellness apps that are actually acting as diagnostic tools. They're looking for any software that claims to treat, cure, or diagnose a condition without the proper paperwork. Fines are getting larger, and the patience for moving fast and breaking things in medicine has run out. Investing in medical technology requires both innovation and responsibility. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned and continue to watch our videos to gain valuable insights into the world of finance. Subscribe, like, and share to continue your journey to financial success.